My story, huh? Take a ride.
Come on, everything is A-okay when you're riding with Jay.
I finally made it to this place. It's gonna be a fun back though. I asked him if I need to, if I'm good to break the seal, and he said he didn't know, so.
Arriving at Q176 St. John Highway on the left.
I need to go open the doors though. I hate these ones that drop down into the darkness. Can't see anything after you start to drop it off. They're still good. Yeah, I just need to start giving it some lift. You really see that dock. The dock. Can't really tell. We're pretty much in the center, so it's either gonna work or it's not. And then once you get like going here, now it wants to go like super fast back into the door. I might be on it. Yeah, we're on. Dash camera's not wanting to stay, even though I got double-sided tape. So we got unloaded. This is a first for me too. We're going to a Walmart store, like a Walmart super center, to pick up our next load. I've never done anything like that. I've gone to like Walmart distribution centers, but I've never gone to a store to pick up a load. So I'm kind of confused on how this is gonna go, but I guess we'll see. I've never really picked up a load from a store, you know, like it's always like a DC or whatever. This Walmart also looks like it's a pain in the butt to get into too. So we got here to the Walmart. We need to go back into this door here. Oh Lord. So we're gonna clear that pole. So we're getting set up for this door here. I like Walmart, they have these lines way out. Except I'm way off. Looks like we just need to be on the lines exactly. I'm glad I got here when I did. This place has gotten a line like no other. I'm glad to be out of here. I need to go back through the Walmart lot though. I can't see anything, bro. Hopefully we're good. Somehow we made that. I didn't think we were going to. What are all these people out here for? No idea. I feel kind of bad because I held up traffic for a little bit, but I need to turn into this Walmart because I can't make this right-hand turn. I need to turn in here and then use the Walmart exit. And we got a quarter of a tank and we got 66 miles to go. So that's gonna be interesting. You have to back up, buddy. I need to make a right-hand turn here, so hopefully this Hyundai Genesis will come quick. Actually, I was gonna say I need to swing out a little bit, but I don't. I should have went into the Walmart, bro, but I didn't know how long the guy was gonna take. They ended up taking an hour and a half. I'm gonna stay in this outside lane because I need to cut across like 5 lanes of traffic to make a U-turn to go back the way I need to. So I've already made this U-turn once, so we got the green light here, so that's good. Won't really need to cut across too much then. Definitely crossing that line. Here's the U-turn though. It says no trucks left lane. Well, I've already made this U-turn once, so I'm gonna do it again because I need to go back the other direction. So just need to, oh, I think it's saying like left lane over here, but I need to make this U-turn. So I don't know. It's kind of like the Michigan crap where you gotta, you know, but there's plenty of room. They cut that out like that for trucks, I guarantee it, because otherwise it'd be a steep curb. But we're just gonna sit here and wait till the lights turn green. Then we gotta go 66 miles. We gotta get fuel and get lunch because it's 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. I've been up since 6:45 and haven't ate anything at all today. So told you guys would be good though. Look at that. We're good. All right, now we're headed back the way we need to go. So I don't know. I need the right lane. All right, cool. We'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right, so there's a Petro right here. There's a Love's over here. I need a shower, so I'm hoping I can find a parking at the Love's, but it says it gets full around 6. And it's 6:30, so we're gonna see if we can get lucky. If not, the Petro's no worry, it has parking till midnight, so I'm not that concerned, but it would be really nice to get parking at the Love's, to be honest with you guys. Please do not turn red, because this light is slow. This light is so slow. Guess there's a speedway across the street too. Great job. You better speed up. I turn in here, the next one.
Turn left on Alabama 260, then take the first right.
I think this is the one I turn in. Gonna see if we can get lucky to find a spot. Kind of doubt it, but you never know. So we're just gonna find out. Kind of looks like there's people parked all over already, so highly doubting it. I wish I was bobtail though. Be nice and easy. Like I said, the Petro's across the street, so it's no big deal, but it'd be nice to be able to get a free shower. If I can't get one here, a spot here, then I'm probably just gonna go down the street to the, or not down the street, but you know what I'm saying. I think there's one right there, but I really, no. Is there one there? So there's one there. Oh no, there's a bobtail backed in. Alright. I think we are not gonna get lucky. There's like 5 drop trailers here, bro. I don't think we're getting lucky. Hey, that's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. There's too many drop trailers here to get lucky. Not saying that they wouldn't be filled. Yeah, we're not getting lucky. Damn it, bro. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Sometimes you can pull into one of these places and see some driver pull out. The Jordan flatbed driver might be pulling out. I don't know. He's got his shower bag, so he's probably gonna take a minute. So we'll just go over to the Petro. I need to get a shower though. I just didn't want to pay for it. But I gotta pay for it. And then some. Fudge. I hate bobtails, bro. I was like, oh, we found one. We did not find one. Time to go over to the Petro. This Petro looks really nice though. Alright, hopefully this light doesn't turn on us, because hopefully this guy doesn't come out in front of us either. I hate that. I don't even know what the speed limit is here. 40? Alright, well we're not speeding. I don't know where the entrance for the Petro is though. It says trucks up. Looks like it's here. It's like one of the nicest Petros I've seen, but I just hate paying for showers. And I get they reimburse, but it's like, it still sucks. It literally is the worst thing ever. It's just nice to have a shower and to go get it for free. It's a nice Popeyes, but I don't think I'm gonna go there. Popeyes and truck stops are way too expensive for what it is. I love Popeyes, but I can't keep spending $20 for a 5-piece tender meal. It's insane. Are those non-reserved? Because I'm totally gonna take one of those. Why the hell is the box truck in the way? Get the hell out of the way, you stupid box truck. These reserved or what? I feel like everything up here is reserved. I mean, I don't see reserved anywhere, so it's all freaking blindsides though. Not for me. Not for me. We're gonna do a pull through if we can get a good one. We got like 4 pull through or 2 pull throughs back that way, so that's what we're gonna do. Introducing smash burgers at the Iron Skillet. Way to go, you dumb box truck. You done screwed her up. Hopefully I can get into this spot. Can't remember where I saw the pull through, but it's right here. It's good enough for me. It's good enough for you guys. Oh shoot, we're way over. Cut it in way too late. Anyways guys, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.